welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you as a busy mom how I recharge myself, my self-care and nature blog. So me and my husband, we are going to a road trip. We are going to a lake on the mountain and we are spending time in nature. We will watch the scenic drive while driving, and we'll be beside water, beside lake, in nature. So I am going to share with you how I spend time with myself and my husband. After a long time, we got this opportunity to spend some time together, which is very important for parents. We are so busy, we don't get time for each other to chat, to have moment or in silence in the nature. So I am so excited for this day and I'm going to take you with me. So let's go. In my road trip, I am not going to be so strict about what I'm going to eat. I might not be keto, low carb eating today, and also will share with you what I'm eating. But obviously, I will choose a healthy choice, not like a completely junk type of food, like Coke, chips. No. We'll eat good food, and I want to share what I have with me right now. So in the road trip we will survive. Just few things that I have. First of all, I have a lot of water. I have here in my tumbler. Also my husband has his water, and in the back we have more water. And then I also have in this flask, I have electrolyte that I go with every day, and then I have coffee, mostly liquid things I have. So I have coffee with me and egg, and also nuts. So this egg, nuts, and few drinking things like electrolyte and water, tea, coffee. So we have 2 hours drive to reach to the lake on the mountain. During that time we will watch the scenic view, and I am excited to see the beside the lake we will drive. So I'm excited for that to see. I remember that last time when we went, it was 30 minutes drive just beside lake. So that is so beautiful. So we are excited to see that again, and we'll take you there. So we started our road trip and listening our favorite music without any interruption, and watching all the favorite view from both sides, which is very wonderful. Why we need a break? As a busy mom or busy parent, we all get too much work, we get burnout, we get overwhelmed. It is very important for every parent's couple to take a break and get together, have time for each other. Like we plan for this road trip, we get some time to talk together without interruption. Also, it helps to reset our mind, body, and also nature love. Nature gives me, it helps me to refresh, energize. Can watch green trees, can get fresh air, and especially water. Beside water, I feel so energized. I like go to lake beside in a beach, so that helps me to reset and makes me happy. And what going for, actually did not do any nails today, going for massage or anything like that, or shopping, anything like that. It can be just a simple road trip, simple nature walk. It can be by yourself, it can be with your friend or your partner, with your husband. So yeah, it is not so complicated. It can be simple care, just going to nature. Going for a trip also helps mom life and marriage to balance it out, because it is also so helpful to reconnect with your partner, with yourself, and have moment to talk. This is the self-care that we all deserve as a busy mom, as a parent. We sometimes think that it will be selfish to take a time to leave your child and go for a trip. It might feel like you might feel like you are selfish. It's not. You deserve it because you are not leaving your child. They are in the school. You are taking time to go for a trip that's a day trip. Nobody will get hurt. So you need to take that moment to recharge yourself and be happy. Also, next week we are going for camping, so we get time to talk about it, to plan ahead. So that's a very good moment. Arrived in the lake on the mountain. So last time when we came, 2 years before, you came, right?
I came 2 years.
Yeah, you came 2 years ago, and I came before that. So it's over 2 years for me. So I'm going to show you the view of the lake on the mountain, and I'm so happy and excited. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Look at that!
Wow.
Look at that beauty! This is called Lake on the Mountain. You are on the mountain and also in the lake. So nice place. So peaceful. And and the trees and birds. I ordered few nuggets, chicken nuggets and sauce and a little bit of fries. So I decided to eat a little lighter in the lunch. So I ordered some nuggets. I'm going to eat 10 nuggets with some sauce, mayo and ketchup. That will be enough. We arrived in the ferry area and now we are waiting for a ferry to come. So we are waiting in the car. We can go to that ferry with the car. So just now one ferry left and we are waiting that ferry to come back. And this is the Glenora ferry. I hope this lake is called Glenora in Prince Edward County. It's a very beautiful, calm, peaceful place. And waterfront trail. So nice water and the breeze and the green tree, the blue sky. I'm loving this place. We are actually in the ferry right now. The more cars are coming in the ferry and we are waiting to ferry to start, and there is so many cars here. We actually get down from the car while seeing this scenic drive. Just was driving beside the lake, but we get down to show you how beautiful it is to see close by. So we are heading to that lake and I'm going to show you how it looks like. this was our journey. We had so much fun spending time together. We had so much things to do, and we had so much view to see, and also the scenic drive was so beautiful. I love all the minute of it. And we are heading to our home. On the way we will eat and then we'll go meet with my son. I am looking forward to see him. He is coming from school. So we had a day trip, wonderful day trip in a very beautiful place. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye for now.